Lorenzo. Hi, my name is Ron Smith. I'll be your student physical therapist working today. Today we're just going to do some lung sounds, make sure we got nothing abnormal going on. So for normal lung sounds, we would be looking for vesicular, or also known as inner lung sounds, bronchial or tubular, which is the outer, and then bronchovesicular, which is the middle. Okay, be sure to take some deep breaths for me. All right, you can turn and face your back. You feeling comfortable? Do you feel feeling nauseous or?
No, I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Okay, good deal. You can face it again. And now for this next two tests, we're going to change it up a little bit. So for this first one, we're going to be looking for a bronchotomy. And what we're going to do, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time just say like 99 with each breath.
You got it. 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Okay, next one we're going to be doing a gothony, and we're looking for that E to A change. So we're going to say E, and hopefully it doesn't change A under listening to it.
Gotcha. All right. E, 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 E.
Okay. And for this last one we're doing, it's called whispered pectoloquy. So just whisper football.
All right.
Okay, good deal. Pleasure working with you today.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Smith, Dr. Smith.